Male impotency is common to see with the adult man. This is a state of health disorder, where a man cannot get proper arousal at the needed time. In other words, a man may get weak erection or no erection at all on his male genital shaft. In this state, he cannot indulge in intercourse. If this problem is there from a longer time, you must take the herbal remedies for male impotence. The herbal treatment in a course from home can make you stay harder longer naturally while in caution. It is advisable to consume the Bluze capsules, which are the best natural erection enhancer pills to curb impotency. Best Male Enhancement Pills 2018. The Bluze capsules are the best herbal enhancement pills 2018. The herbal remedies for male impotence contain the below mentioned herbs: ashwagandha, with Annia somnifera; moti, Pinctodomar agaratifer; safe muesli, asparagus ascendens; semar, Bombax malabaricum; shilajit, asphaltum puneabunum; tumbul, hyperbidal lin. This herbal capsule contains the above herbs in pure form. These herbs have been proven since the ancient times to make a man stay harder longer naturally. Male enhancement supplement that work fast. The men with impotency will always search for the supplements to stay harder longer naturally. This is because the other treatment may cause severe side effects, which once again make them total impotent. In the present world, people are aware of side effects, and they wish to take those treatment, which is safe and work fast. The herbal remedies for male impotence are 100% safe and do not cause any side effects. The herbal aphrodisiac products are available online. You can buy them as natural male enhancement supplements, herbal Viagra, male libido boosting pills, and herbal enhancement capsules for the male. The natural erection enhancer pills are the best to take by an impotent man. You can see the soft penile erection will become hard within few weeks of consumption of the herbal aphrodisiac supplements. It is advisable to drink more water when you consume the herbal supplements for male wellness. This will improve your overall sexual health. How to consume natural male enhancement pills. A man with soft erection must take the herbal remedies for male impotence in a course of 3 to 4 months from home. The Bluze capsules are the best natural erection enhancer pills, which you must consume daily twice with milk or water. A man suffering from impotency can stay harder longer naturally, when he takes this herbal course without any break. However, you must stop the bad habits like smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohol, and eating fast foods. Instead, you can consume more leafy greens and fresh juices. It will not make any withdrawal effect. The result may differ with the age of a man with impotency and his present state of health. The Bluze capsules are the best herbal remedies for male impotence. You can buy this herbal aphrodisiac pill online as non-prescription remedies. You can find more details about Bluze capsules at aherbresearch.com.